Jai Mata Di. Navratri is coming and I know many of you want to do puja at home but don't know where to start. Today I'll show you a very simple 15-minute puja that any one of you can do. Working moms, busy professionals, even if you're staying abroad. And I'll explain you why we do each step so you can understand the meaning behind every ritual. Let's begin. First, we'll prepare our puja space. Any clean corner of your home is fine. Now we need a small platform called pita or chowki. I'm using the small wooden stool. The pita keeps the deity above ground level, showing respect and creating sacred space. I'm placing the pita here. Now I'm covering it with red cloth. See how I'm arranging it neatly? Red color represents Shakti, the divine feminine energy. It means strength and protection. That's why red is best for Navratri. Now I am placing Mata's photo on this pita in the center. Handle it with both hands respectfully. We are inviting the Divine Mother into our home. She becomes our special guest for 9 days. Now the Kalash. This is the most important for Navratri. The Kalash represents creation and new life. First, I am making small bed of rice for Kalash to sit on. Rice means prosperity. I am placing the Kalash on the rice. I am using silver Kalash here, but any metal Kalash is perfectly fine. Copper, brass, steel, all are good. Even a small clay pot works. Now I am tying the red thread around the neck 3 times like this. 3 represents 3 forms of Devi we worship in Navratri. Durga for strength, Lakshmi for wealth and Saraswati for knowledge. Now I am making swastika with kumkum. This ancient symbol brings good fortune. I am adding water inside. Water is life. It purifies everything. Now dropping 1 coin for prosperity, 1 betel nut which we offer to gods, few cloves and cardamom. These represent Shiva and Shakti together, the divine masculine and feminine energies in perfect balance. Little bit turmeric for purity. Few rice grains for abundance. I am placing 5 mango leaves on top. If you don't have mango leaves, any 5 green leaves work. 5 represents the 5 elements. Now placing coconut with pointed side up. The coconut represents our ego that we offer to God. I am keeping everything organized around the pita. The diya will give divine light. Agarbatti will carry our prayers up. Flowers are our offerings of love. Now I'll show you the daily puja. This is what you'll do morning for all 9 days of Navratri. Once you learn this, it takes only 15 minutes daily. Same steps every day at the same time if possible. First, I'm lighting the diya with ghee. Ghee is the most pure and burns bright. This flame represents knowledge removing darkness. I am keeping diya on the right side. Right side is good for new beginnings. I am lighting agarbatti from the diya flame. The good smell creates sacred atmosphere and carries our prayers to God. I am taking some rice and 1 flower in right hand. Rice with turmeric is called akshat. It means unbroken like our devotion should be. The flower shows our heart opening to God. Now saying simple prayer, Om Durga Deviye Namaha 3 times. We say 3 times because odd numbers are lucky and 3 means complete. I am leaving these at Mata's feet gently. This shows we are giving everything to her. I am taking kumkum for tilak. Putting on Mata's forehead first. The forehead is where wisdom sits. Now on my forehead. This connects us to God. I am offering flowers one by one. Flowers are like our emotions. We give what is beautiful and fresh. Every flower is one prayer. That's why we say mantra with each flower. These cloves are special. I am offering 7 cloves. 7 is for the 7 chakras in our body. Some people offer cloves in pairs also, showing Shiva and Shakti together. For prasad, I am placing fruits, apple and banana today. Whatever fruits you have at home, offer them. When we offer food, we show that everything comes from God's grace. Now Aarti with camphor. Camphor burns completely without leaving anything behind. Like that, our ego should disappear in God's love. I am making 3 circles clockwise. Clockwise is the way the sun moves. I'm taking the blessings. Hands over flame means receiving divine light. Then touching eyes means we should see only good. Touching head means our thoughts should be pure. The bell sound is like Om. It removes bad energy and tells everyone that the puja is happening. I'm finishing with pranam. When we bow down, we leave our pride, we surrender to God. This entire puja setup stays exactly like this for all 9 days. Very important, the kalash must not be moved or disturbed. The coconut and the water inside remain untouched for all 9 days. That water is absorbing all the divine energy and mantras, becoming sacred. We will only touch it on the 10th day. Every day you only need to do few things. Light fresh diya and agarbatti daily, chain the flowers, offer fresh prasad, but the kalash itself stays untouched. This is very important. Very busy day, at least light the diya. Even 1 minute of prayer keeps the connection with Mata. On the 10th day of Dasara, you will remove the puja setup. Here's how to do it respectfully. First, do final aarti and take blessings. Thank Mata for staying in your home for 9 days. Then carefully remove everything. The kalash water is now very sacred. Sprinkle some in every room of your house for blessings. Give remaining to plants or garden. Flowers or leaves also go to plants or garden soil. Never throw in garbage. The coconut is now prasad. Break it and share it with family. Rice and other grains, give it to birds. The coin from your kalash, keep it in the money box for prosperity. Keep Mata's photo safely for next year. Don't throw it away. Wash the red cloth and kalash and store them carefully for next year. Remember, everything from the puja is blessed. Handle with respect even when removing. See, every step has meaning. When you know why you're doing something, it becomes more powerful. Your puja becomes meditation, not just ritual. That's it. Keep this setup for all 9 days and remove it on the day of Dashera. Now you know both how and why we do each step. This makes your puja stronger because you understand it. Please share this video with everyone who's planning to do Navratri Puja at home. Many people want to start but don't know how. Your share can help them connect with Mata's blessings. Comment below if you have any questions about the puja. I'll be happy to help. May Goddess Durga bless you with prosperity, health and strength this Navratri. Jai Mata Di.